Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a cute heart plant. So let's start. First, draw a horizontal line like this. Now draw another line, just its parallel, but make it a little small. Good job. Now draw a curved line and connect it. Now connect the other side also. Look how great it's looking. Well done. Now draw the cute face. Draw a big circle, like this. Then draw a small circle and fill the color. Make sure not to color the small circle. Good job. Now draw the other eye, just like this. Do the same thing, and it's done. Draw a big circle, like this. Then draw a small circle and fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, draw a cute smile, like this. Look how cute the pod is looking. Now let's draw the leaf. Draw a line and make it like this. Draw 2 leaves on left side. Now draw 2 leaves on right side also. Well done. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw some heart shapes. Draw a big heart shape, like this. Now draw another heart shape on left side, just like this. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how great it's looking. Now draw a heart shape on right side also. Make the heart shapes with same size. Lastly, draw a small heart shape, and it's done. Good job. It's looking very great. Look, we total draw 4 heart shapes. Now draw a line and connect the heart shapes to the pot. Good job. We complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, use blue color and color the flower pot. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now slowly and carefully fill the color. Make sure not to color the eye. Just color up and down, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. how great it's looking. Now let's color the leaf. Use green color and color the leaf. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now color the heart. Use red color and color the outline. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Good job! Now color the other heart shapes also. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Just follow me, and it's done. Lastly, color the small heart shape. And it's done. You can also use different colors and make it more beautiful. Lastly, use white color and make the drawing more shiny. First, draw a line on heart shape, like this. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw a line on other hearts also. Just do the same thing, and it's done. Draw a line on the small heart also. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now draw a line on leaf. Draw a line on leaf side, like this. Lastly, draw a line on flower pot side. Draw a line on other side also. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how cute and beautiful it's looking. You know what, I really like flower pot. I give the flower water every day. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.